Okay, welcome back to Empire of the Sun. Uh, Next Japanese card was the West Force card. He played the Western Force card, and as expected, he went ahead and did push into India. He went ahead and tried going to try to take Dhaka, which not that difficult for him to take. There's no defenders except for his air units, and then he tried he pinned that. He pinned this. I think the only thing I have to ask though is why he had this guy, this 810-2 unit, go after here, to bomb these guys instead of using the 2010-2 to bomb these guys. I mean, he could have used the, I don't know, maybe he's trying to, maybe he's thinking about going after the Indomitable. Anyway, the thing is that the only way he's going to hurt me here is if he rolls a 9, if he rolls a full result. All right. So I went ahead and did my intel roll. I got the intel roll okay, and then I went ahead and did reactions. Okay, so just to show you what I did, the Exeter reacted, and I think some of the air units went into action as well. Not sure, not really sure. I think the only thing I could do with the Exeter, the other things were just they were there already. I can't move the FE Air Force because obviously if it moves to Dhaka, sorry, to Calcutta, it's going to take its full, it's going to take extended range, and it's a parenthetical extended range. It can't go into combat after it uses that. So anyway, so battle A happens. Um, battle A happens. It's 28 Japanese versus 16 Allied, and Japanese rolled a 3. I rolled a 9, which is a critical hit. Yay for me. So 14 Japanese hits, 16 Allied hits with critical hit, and I decided to take out the Zuiho with my critical hits. Obviously, 16 is enough to take the Zuiho. And he flips the American Air here, the American Air up here. Okay, so that's that. And Battle B is down here. He It's this guy battling everybody up here. So that's 5 Jap versus 22 Allied. He rolled a 6, I roll a 1. Nothing happens because 22 Allied, I guess, quarter result of that, or yeah, quarter result because 1, 1, or 2 is a quarter result. So that's 6 in my case, and he puts it 5. He had to have a critical hit to hurt me. So okay, so nothing happened there in the air naval battle. In battle C, he rolled a 6, which he had to roll a 9 for anything to happen. So no effect. Okay, so I did everything here. I had to do an emergency naval move of the SEAC guys and everybody else. The naval unit and the air unit that was here in Dhaka had to evacuate. So out she goes, and that's it. And we are in quite a spot here, as you can tell. Just to show you again, is that these guys, remember, are now cut off. These guys pretty much rule the roost in Dhaka, 2 half armies, and we got nothing to fight with except the 4th Indian Corps. That's it, and a whole lot of naval and air forces, but not enough ground strength. So at this point, I'm thinking to myself, "Oh crap, I'm really in trouble." But then I realized that this India marker is an awful long way from revolt. It's still stable. So the worst thing that can happen is this is going to go. It's going to go one step down. It's going to go like this at the end of the turn if I don't do anything up here, and I can't do anything up there. So I figured, okay, I can handle that, and as long as he doesn't get too crazy, the next in this turn, hopefully he doesn't have any Gandhi cards, to bring this another level. Maybe I'll be able to survive this after all. So I'm not terribly worried right now. At least that's what I was thinking. That I could probably hold on as long as he doesn't have that that many uh, He doesn't have any Gandhi cards, and besides, he still needs to take this hex, right? So if he needs to take this hex, I mean, it will hold out probably for the rest of this turn because that's what 48 points worth of strength defending Dimasur, so should be able to hold out. Of course, in the attrition phase, it's going to flip to half strength, so it's only going to take 24 to force them out. But then that's one whole turn out. Okay, that's one whole turn gone, and this thing will not go to unrest until until the end of turn 6. You know. So maybe not too bad. I might be able to muster enough forces up here in order to force the Japanese out. And remember, as long as I capture even one hex, okay, that any progress is made on the India status chart here go by all the way back to stable. Okay, and plus the fact that if I take anything here, I get progress of the war, so that's always nice. Anyway, so it looks serious, but I don't think it's terminal. I think I'll be able to survive this. Anyway, so just to show you real guys real quick what cards we have on the table. We have this card. By the way, oh, okay, let me just flip that. This card, the Operation Forager card, actually came from the strategy card draw that I have that I got from the British X-Craft uh, offensive. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so we have all these cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that it? Yeah, no, it's just one more. Okay, so that's where we are card-wise. We have and of course, this is our future offensive card is the Heroic Repair. So that's okay. So this is our FOQ. So if you look at these cards, not great, but not terrible either. We have this nice surprise attack card, which what I was thinking of doing is maybe play the Heroic Repair card out of the FO. I'm not sure. We haven't taken that many losses. We took a loss against Lexington. I'm not really sure. Or we could play it for the opposite, doesn't matter. But we could probably bank the Operation Brewer card, or maybe because it's a surprise attack, it's nice. There's only a logistic value of 1. But maybe we can bank this card, the Great Marianas Turkey Shoot Operation Forager card. It's a big card. It's a big card. It's a big card. It's 6 if you use sync pack, 4 for everybody else. So 6 plus 3, that's 9 if I use sync pack. And the Japanese aircraft carrier and naval units have their strength reduced by 2, blah blah blah. So this isn't a terrible thing to put in FO for use next turn because I don't really need to make any large scale invasions this turn anymore because I already have all my progress of the war hexes taken care of. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not really sure what I did or what I played for the rest of the turn especially what I put in the FO. Okay. So anyway, so after that, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.